Hey kids, have you ever wondered about money? Where it comes from, how it works, and why adults always seem to be talking about it? Understanding money is super important because it affects almost everything we do in life. Just like learning to ride a bike or tie your shoes, learning about money is a skill that will help you throughout your life. From buying your favorite snacks to saving for a cool new toy, knowing how to manage money gives you freedom and control over your future. Remember, you don't have to be a grown-up to start learning about money. Even starting small can make a big difference over time. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets of money together. It's never too early to start learning about money, and with a little guidance, you'll be a money pro in no time. Money is like a tool that helps us get things we need and want. We use it to buy food, clothes, toys, and even experiences like going to the movies or visiting a theme park. When you understand how money works, you can make smart choices about how to use it. This means you can get the most out of your money and achieve your goals, whether it's saving up for a special item or donating to a cause you care about. Think of it like playing a game. The more you understand the rules, the better you'll be at playing and the more fun you'll have. So why should you care about money? Because it gives you the power to make choices, achieve your dreams, and live a happy and fulfilling life. One of the best ways to learn about money is to earn some yourself. An allowance is money that you receive regularly, usually from your parents or guardians, in exchange for doing chores or completing tasks around the house. Earning an allowance teaches you the value of hard work and responsibility. When you have to work for your money, you're more likely to appreciate it and spend it wisely. Think of it like this. Would you rather spend money you earned yourself or money that was just given to you? Chances are, you'd be more careful with the money you worked hard for. Remember, an allowance isn't just about getting free money. It's about learning valuable life skills that will benefit you for years to come. Now that you have some money of your own, it's important to learn how to spend it wisely. One of the first things to understand is the difference between needs and wants. Needs are things that are essential for survival, like food, water, shelter, and clothing. Wants, on the other hand, are things that we desire, but don't necessarily need to live, like toys, video games, or candy. It's perfectly okay to spend money on both needs and wants, but it's important to find a balance. If you spend all of your money on wants, you might not have enough left for your needs. Before you buy something, ask yourself, do I really need this, or do I just want it? This simple question can help you make smarter spending choices. Saving power, reaching for your goals. Saving money is like planting a seed. The more you save, the more it grows over time. When you save money, you're setting aside a portion of your income for future use. This could be for a short-term goal, like buying a new toy, or a long-term goal, like saving for college. The best way to save is to make it a habit. Try setting aside a small amount of money from each allowance or gift you receive. You can even create a visual reminder of your savings goal, like a picture of the item you're saving for, to stay motivated. Remember, even small amounts of money add up over time, especially when you start saving early. Saving might seem boring at first, but the feeling of accomplishment when you reach your goal is priceless. Sharing is caring, giving back to others. Money isn't just about buying things for ourselves, it's also about making a difference in the world. Giving back to others is a wonderful way to use your money to help those in need and support causes you care about. Think about what matters most to you. Maybe you're passionate about animal welfare, helping the homeless, or supporting education. Once you've identified a cause you care about, research different charities or organizations that align with your values. Remember, even a small donation can make a big difference in someone's life. Giving back not only helps others, but also teaches you valuable life lessons about empathy, compassion, and the importance of making a positive impact on the world. Real-life money moments. From piggy banks to paychecks. Learning about money isn't just about abstract concepts. It's about understanding how these concepts play out in everyday life. It's about seeing the tangible impact of financial decisions and learning from them. Whether it's saving up for something special, budgeting for necessities, or earning your own money, these experiences shape our understanding of finances. Here are some real-life examples that illustrate these important lessons. Piggy bank savings. Imagine you're saving up for a new video game that costs $50. You start by putting your spare change into a piggy bank. Each coin you add brings you a step closer to your goal. This teaches you the value of patience and persistence. If you receive a $10 allowance each week and save $5, it will take you 10 weeks to reach your goal. This simple act of saving teaches you about setting goals, planning, and the rewards of delayed gratification. Grocery shopping on a budget. Your family needs to buy groceries for the week, but you're on a tight budget. This scenario helps you understand the importance of making smart choices with your money. By comparing prices and choosing generic brands over name brands, you can save money and still get everything you need. This teaches you about value, cost comparison, and making informed decisions. Earning money from a part-time job. As you get older, you might decide to get a part-time job, like babysitting or mowing lawns. This experience is invaluable as it introduces you to the world of work and responsibility. This teaches you about earning a paycheck, managing your time, and budgeting your earnings. You learn the importance of hard work, the satisfaction of earning your own money, and the skills needed to manage it wisely. These real-life examples show how understanding money management skills can help you navigate various situations throughout your life. They provide a foundation for making informed financial decisions, ensuring that you are prepared for the future. By learning these skills early, you set yourself up for a lifetime of financial success and stability. Raising money smart kids. Tips for parents. Parents, you play a crucial role in shaping your children's financial literacy. Your actions and attitudes towards money can significantly influence their understanding and habits. Here are some practical tips to help your kids develop healthy money habits that will serve them well into adulthood. Start early. It's never too early to start teaching your kids about money. Introduce them to the concept of money through simple activities and conversations. Even young children can grasp basic concepts like saving and spending. Use everyday moments like grocery shopping or paying bills to explain how money works. Lead by example. Children often learn by observing their parents. Show them how you budget, save, and make financial decisions. Be mindful of your own financial habits and demonstrate responsible money management. Your actions speak louder than words. Make it fun and engaging. Use games, activities, and real-life examples to make learning about money enjoyable and interactive. This can help keep their interest and make the lessons stick. Encourage open communication. Create a safe space for your children to ask questions about money and share their financial goals and concerns. This openness can help them feel more comfortable and confident in managing their finances. By instilling sound financial principles early on, you can empower your children to make informed decisions and achieve financial well-being throughout their lives. Remember, the goal is to prepare them for a future where they can handle their finances wisely and confidently. The gift of financial literacy. A brighter future for your children. Teaching your children about money is one of the greatest gifts you can give them. It's not just about dollars and cents. It's about instilling values, habits, and skills that will last a lifetime. Financial literacy is a cornerstone of a well-rounded education, and it starts at home. Financial literacy empowers individuals to make informed decisions, avoid debt, build wealth, and achieve their financial dreams. It's about understanding how money works, how to manage it, and how to make it work for you. This knowledge can open doors to opportunities and provide a sense of security and independence. When children understand the value of money, they're more likely to develop a healthy relationship with it. They learn that money is a tool that can help them achieve their goals and dreams, but it must be managed wisely. Become responsible spenders. They'll learn to differentiate between needs and wants, make informed purchasing decisions, and avoid impulse buys. This skill is crucial in a world where consumerism is rampant and the temptation to spend is everywhere. Develop strong saving habits. They'll understand the importance of setting financial goals, saving for the future, and delaying gratification. These habits can lead to financial stability and the ability to handle unexpected expenses without stress. Become financially independent. They'll be better equipped to manage their money, avoid debt, and achieve financial security as adults. Financial independence means having the freedom to make choices that are not solely based on financial constraints. By equipping your children with the knowledge and skills they need to navigate the complex world of finance, you're setting them up for a brighter and more secure future. This foundation will serve them well throughout their lives, helping them to achieve their personal and professional goals. Remember, financial literacy is not just about money. It's about empowering individuals to live fulfilling and meaningful lives. It's about giving them the tools to make choices that align with their values and aspirations, leading to a life of purpose and satisfaction.